Good morning, friends. Now here, today we are going to discuss about our exercise 6.3 standard 8 mathematics textbook NCRT. Clear? Now here, question number 8 given to us. 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contain as many as plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. सपोज आप 10 रो कर रहे हैं तो हर एक रो में 10 प्लांट्स होंगे. अगर 5 रो कर रहे हैं तो हर एक रो में 5 प्लांट्स होंगे. मीन्स नंबर ऑफ रोज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स. In such a way we have to divide these 2025 plants. So number of rows equal to number of plants in each row. So we don't know what is the exact idea of this. So first of all, let the number of rows is equal to x मान लेते हैं. Therefore number of plants is a row, मतलब in a row is equal to वो भी x because they are equal. ऐसा बोल रहे हैं number of rows equal to number of plants in each row. It is given in that. It contain the question. So the number of plants to be planted, कितने प्लांट करने पड़ेंगे? x रो और x प्लांट. सो टोटल हो जाएंगे x स्क्वायर प्लांट, है ना. सो x स्क्वायर प्लांट्स इज इक्वल टू किसके बराबर हो जाता है? 2025. बट वी वांट टू फाइंड ईच रो एंड नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स इन ईच रो. सो वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो रूट x स्क्वायर, तो उसका स्क्वायर रूट विल बी x. So x square is equal to 2025. So we can find out the square root of 2025. So we will get the value of x. Clear? Now for this we need to find the prime factors of 2025. We know that we can start by 5 also. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. Smallest prime factor से शुरू करते हैं. So 3, 2 तो possible नहीं है. 3. Okay. तो 3 6 18, तो 20 में से 80 जाएगा, बचेगा 2 और ये 2 तो 22 हो जाएगा. क्लियर? तो 3 7 21, 22 में से 21 चला जाएगा, देन इट विल बी 1 लेफ्ट. सो 15, तो 3 5 15, 625. अगेन वी ट्राई, वी विल गेट 2 2 5. क्लियर? प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. Then if again I divide it by, I will get 75. If again I divide it, I will get it 3, that will be 25. If I divide it now by 5, 5 5s are now and 5 1s are. So I am getting the pairs 3 square, 3 square, 5 square. So 3 into 3 into 5, root get cancelled. So root 2025 मीन्स वो क्या मिलने वाला है? x इज इक्वल टू 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Therefore number of rows is 45 and number of plants in each row is also 45. Clear? Hope so this much clear to. Similar type of sum which we have done in question number 7. Okay, now we proceed for question number 9. Hope so this much clear to you all. You can proceed step by step. Now we are moving to our question number 9. Here in the 9th question, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers, that is 4, 9 and 10. Smallest means least common multiple. Okay, so which is divisible by all its factor. So we know that LCM is the smallest number divisible by all its factors of the given. Clear? So first of all we will find the LCM of this 4, 9 and 10. So 2 starting, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 and 9 not possible as usual. Again with 2, 2 1s are 9 not possible, 5 also not possible. Now the next prime number is 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 and 1 as usual. Now proceeding further for 3, 3 1s are 3 1s are and 5 as usual. Now here in this case 5, 1 1 and 5 1s are. So we can find the LCM. That will be LCM of 4, 9 and 10 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Clear? And that will give us 180. How much? 180. Here 180 is not a perfect square. We find that, but 180 is not a perfect square because 2 का पेयर यहाँ बन रहा है, यहाँ पे बन रहा है 5 is extra. Okay, so here we need to think that it has 5 which is unpaired. ठीक है ना, जिसका कोई पेयर नहीं है. 2 का पेयर है, 3 का पेयर है, लेकिन 5 का अनपेयर्ड नंबर है. ओके, सो देयरफॉर 180 multiplied by 5. Okay, then we will get 2 into 2, then 3 into 3 and 5 into 5. Clear? Okay, and that will give us 900. Therefore 900 is a perfect square. Okay, the number which we require is 900. The number required 900. Okay, hope so this much clear to you all. जो हमने मल्टीप्लाई करके करते थे, जो कम पड़ रहा था उतना मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. So we have got 900. Okay, so fine, we will meet in the next lecture with our question number 10. This will be the end of our exercise.